I don't know, is it going to work? Is it going to work? Have you got brassy hair? Yes, I do. So, if you want that question answering, no. Have you got brassy hair? I do. Quarantine brassiness. That is what it's going to be known as. So, have you got brassy hair? Have you got brassy tones? Either way, would you like to know if you can sort it from home without any salon products? If that is the case, then stay with me. Who doesn't steal their partner's robe, right? Maybe it's just me. Do you know, I actually steal a lot of his stuff. I steal his jumpers, I steal his t-shirts, his robe, clearly. Sometimes I use his shaver for the legs, don't tell him. So what I'm doing today is trying to neutralise these blonde, brassy tones in my hair. So I have for many years dyed my hair, rightly or wrongly, but I've gone with stripes, I've gone with highlights, I've gone with lowlights, I've had full heads, I've had half heads, pretty much everything you can think of to do to your hair, I have done it. I've even had a perm at one point in my life. Didn't work out very well. But anyway, I digress. So in relation to the highlights that I have in my hair, these were done now around 4 or 5 months ago. And since we've been in lockdown for quite a few weeks, I have no access to my wonderful hairdresser. So as such, I need to try and sort this mess out myself. Now, I don't know if any of you have seen the before picture, but this is what I have got. This is what I am dealing with. It's brassy, it's orangey-ness. It's just, I mean, really. So I'm going to try and use, because I can't get to the beauty supply shop, and also it's not open because we haven't got any beauticians working here in the UK, that I am going to use the John Frieda Violet Crush for Blondes. So this is just from the supermarket. I'm going to try it. I don't know if it's going to work. I've got the shampoo and I've got the conditioner. Ultimately, it's got the crushed violet pigments in, which I believe it's either purple pigment or blue pigment, that helps neutralise the brassiness in hair depending on what kind of tone you've got. I couldn't really find any blue shampoo in the supermarket, so I'm going to use the purple one. But because my hair is so dry, it's so long, firstly, I mean it comes down to kind of my waist, and I'll show you that in the after pictures, but it's dry as well. So because of that, I also have a hair mask. I recommend that if you don't put your hair into a hair mask, but you have medium to long hair, that it's a really good thing to do if you've got dry hair especially. It just helps revitalize it. There's good things like maracuja oil or shea butter that really helps re-moisturize it and gives a bit more balance back to the hair, especially in these times where we have the time to be able to do a little bit more care, whether it be on our skin or on our hair. And so I always try and use a treatment mask. So this is just an SOS hair repair, an Andrew Barton one, again from the supermarket. I'll put the prices in the comments, so if you want to have a look, feel free. But yeah, we're going to try and see whether the Violet Crush for Blondes can make this a little less orange. So I will come back to you with a update. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and do it. I'm going to use the shampoo, I'm going to use the conditioner, and I'm also going to use that SOS hair repair mask, just to keep it all conditioned. Like I say, my hair's super dry, and hopefully then we can come back and it will look absolutely amazing. That's what I'm hoping. But essentially, I just want it to get rid of the orangeness. So as long as it does that, then we're all good. So we'll come back shortly and we'll see if it has worked. So I'm out of the shower. I'm not naked. I have a towel, just in case some of you are wondering. So I'm out of the shower, and this is the immediate colour, which, if I'm honest, still looks pretty brassy, doesn't it? I'll dry it and be right back.
A quick break, guys. If you're enjoying this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for updates as soon as they're uploaded. Without further ado, back to the video.
So I'm back, guys. I've put a little bit of makeup on. A little bit presentable is what I need to be, rather than just chilling out in my joggers. I don't know if you can see, but we've got Millie joining us today. She's asleep, so she's not that bothered. But now I'm back. I've had my hair up for a little bit of time after I've dried it, so let's see if it's made a difference to the brassiness. So let's have a look. Actually, from drying it and looking at it, it has actually dulled it a little bit. I can't say it's taken away lots and lots of the colour per se. However, it has dulled it, so it's not as bright as it was earlier, if you can see. So it's still got the tone to it, but because my hair's so thick as well, so you can see it is slightly blonder. It's not as orangey, so it has toned it down. But would I say that it's actually got rid of the brassiness? No, if I'm honest, it hasn't. I think it's one of those shampoos that probably need time. You've got to do it over and over again, and it diminishes the brassiness out of the hair. But from a first go, I'll put the before and after pictures on shortly, but it does look like it's actually made a little bit of a difference. So as long as I am not radiating orange in the sunlight, then I am all good with that. So not a resounding success, but a little bit of a difference, which makes me feel a bit better. So everyone, that is the end result. This is what I'm left with, and like I say, I'm quite happy with it for a supermarket shampoo and conditioner. It's done the job for now. Millie isn't that bothered, but hey, you can't please everybody. If you like what you've seen today, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, and hopefully I will see you again soon. So if it is until then, be kind, stay safe, and I am humbled that you are on this journey with me, and I'll see you again soon.